Welcome. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I have my chamomile tea with me and I'm doing a relatively simple project today. If you don't have enough money to change all of your jars and bottles at once, pick a store where you can reorder things that has the same collection. It's very easy to do white or do clear or black. I prefer pastel colors and a Japanese, Asian type organization because I really enjoy those cultures. So let's begin. I looked through very many different options. So for my bathroom, I have chosen these bottles from eBay. What I liked about them is that they open like this and it's easy to refill them, and they already have a label here. So this one says body soap, but if your bottles do not have a label already or you want to change it, I really recommend you buy waterproof label just like those guys. I ordered them on Amazon. They're like a commercial roll of labels and I use them everywhere in my house. And then for my husband, I ordered 2 of these guys. They're gonna be on the other side. A little porcelain trays. It would be perfect if this one had rounded corners so that it's not so sharp, but hey, it's a nice style, and let's see how it works once I'm done. I already put my exfoliator in a jar and I added a waterproof label to it. It's easy to get in there. I did the same with my hair mask. I did remove a label from my toothpaste and I added the label here. It's real easy to remove the label. You just rip it off on the side. It's Colgate. I really don't recommend you mix new chemicals with the old ones. Once you get to the half of it, you might end up with skin allergies. Since my face wash doesn't really fit in any of those bottles, I have found the travel size. I like this kind of dispensers. My conditioner appeared to be too thick and I'm gonna just put it in there like this. So this is the kind of top that actually fits perfectly. It just screws on and I'm gonna cut it to the right length so that it fits right in here. Sometimes those kind of dispensers are really hard to work with because you keep on screwing them like this and nothing really happens. So the trick with it is that you hold it like this and it pops right up. So you hold the top part still and screw it counterclockwise. My project is almost done, but you can see I have added this little plate to give a unifying shape to all of these 3 objects. I'm gonna add my toothbrush here. This little thing is from Muji. It works really well. They have it in different colors. It is about $5. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.